July 1, well, 6:54 p.m. Kaya ito, nag-rev ako pero hindi umabot ng ano, at nasa zero ang aking at umakyat. Look at that. And bright, not affected. Pero pag naka-drive, check it out, leave. People. Tingnan nyo mabuti. Turning on the radio, turning on the fog lamps, rear fog lamps. Well, so far wala nangyayari masama. Tapakan, goes out.